Today, the federal government announced it's removing certain health care protections for transgender patients, specifically the interpretation of the health care rights law that prohibits discrimination based on gender identity. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel spoke with leaders of Basic Rights Oregon about what this could mean.
During Pride Month, on the anniversary of the Pulse nightclub shooting, amid a national fight for justice and a global pandemic, leaders in the LGBTQ community say the federal government's announcement Friday is not what they wanted to hear.
It just feels like the worst decision on the worst possible timing.
The healthcare rights law prohibits discrimination based on sex, which under the Obama administration included gender identity. Now the Department of Health and Human Services says it will return to, quote, the government's interpretation of sex discrimination according to the plain meaning of the word sex as male or female and as determined by biology.
People could be denied life-saving care. A trans man could be denied care that would save him from ovarian cancer, for instance.
Nancy Hawk and Iden Campbell are with Basic Rights Oregon. They say it's unclear right now what this announcement could mean for Oregon, where there are statewide protections for the LGBTQ community.
When I read it, I wanted to cry, and also, my stomach was completely upset at the thought of people that live in places that are not like Oregon, Washington State and California, who don't have the same protections that we have, not being able to access health care, especially with COVID happening now.
They say they also worry this will make people scared to seek health care in the first place. In Northwest Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.
Today, the Human Rights Campaign announced that it will be suing the Trump administration over this new rule.